how to enable automatic captions in Zoom meeting. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable automatic captions in your Zoom call. Let's get started. Open up your browser, head over to your Zoom call, then you need to go to more in the bottom and then tap on captions. Now you can choose the language of your choice. So once you have chosen the language, hit save. And now everything you speak will be available on the screen. So you can like toggle on your mic and start speaking, and everything you speak will be seen on the screen like this. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.